डर के आगे जीत है. Ever heard these lines? Where have you heard? If you have heard, then write to me in the comment section. You know the word fear. The word fear has itself two meanings within this word. Let's find it out. Fear has two meanings. Forget everything and run. Face everything and rise. Which one is your priority? Let me know in the comment section. Do comment which fear do you want to take. Do you want to face everything and rise, or do you want to just forget everything and run? Well, I would like to share mine. I will always love to face everything and rise because it leads me to success. Hello everyone, this is Gunjan. I welcome you all to my reasoning classes. Our today's topic is direction sense test. This is a very interesting topic. We can have very interesting questions using the directions. We just need to know the right approach in this question, and every question will be so easy to solve. So what you need to do is just follow all the things that I am telling you in this video. Okay, before I proceed further, I would suggest everyone, this is my personal suggestion, that you must practice Sudoku. Sudoku is a very interesting game, and this personally I feel that it not only enhances the mental ability but it also refreshes your mind. So it is a very useful thing which you can do, and also these are very interesting. I'm telling you, just try it out, and you can find them anywhere on the web. You can download the app related to Sudoku. There are many apps related to Sudoku, or you can simply have the best way. That is my way. What I actually do is I used to find the Sudoku in the newspapers and I used to solve it. So I would suggest that you can also do the same if you do not want any computer or phone that you want to search on. Then just find it out in the newspaper and try solving them. It will really give you a boost. So, ready for the class? Ready to solve some question? Today I'll again explain you some questions, and then you have to try out the questions yourself. So let's start our class. Ready? Okay, then let's start. So today I'm going to discuss the page number 65 and 66 of your GK book. So if you have your GK book, try out the questions yourself and open your GK book along with my video. Okay, so before I explain the questions, I would like to explain you some important point which you should know before solving these questions. See, one thing, very important thing, you should know this very basic thing. This is a direction. These are the four main directions: north, south, east and west. You should always draw this while solving any direction question. And also imagine yourself in these type of question. If I'm saying that turn left, what you have to do is you have to turn to your left, right? You know your left hand, you know your right hand, so these will be the direction. If I'm asking you to turn right, then you have to turn towards your right hand. Don't worry about any other, the person in front of you. Don't move according to any other thing. You just have to turn according to your body. Okay, so this is the first very basic step. Second thing is that you must know and draw this diagram. Also, these are the four main directions, but we have some other direction also, which is north, east. Just between the north and east we have northeast. Just between south and east we have southeast direction. Just between south and west we have southwest direction. Just between north and west we have northwest direction. Now what do they signify? How we can, means what is the purpose of northeast, southeast, southwest direction? So what you can do is, there will be various questions which you need to solve on this basis. Suppose if this is the direction, suppose a person has started moving from here. Okay, this is the main point. A person has started moving from here. He then turns, he heads towards the north, and then he turns right. So this is 5 meter, this is 2 meter, and here is the house, and this direction is 7 meter. So can you tell me in which direction he has reached now according to the house? What you will do? You will mark like this. According to the house, he is in this direction. Now what does this signify? Let's find it out in the direction sense. Isn't this sign? So this is what? Northwest. So basically he is in the northwest direction from the house. He is not in the north direction. He is in the northwest direction. Rest I'll explain you with the questions, but this is the very basic step which you should know about the directions. So here I'll be explaining you all the question. First I'll read the question for you so that you can understand the question, and as soon as you read the question, start drawing it. I'll read the question first and then I'll draw it, so that I'll have some space and then I'll draw. Okay, so the question says, I hope the question is visible. Question says, Anu walks 10 kilometer towards north. Means she is moving towards north direction, and she has started from some point and she has moved 10 meter. From there she walks 6 kilometer towards south. So again what she has done? She has moved 6 kilometer south. Then she walks 3 kilometer towards east. Since the directions are mentioned, we will not do any changes. She moved 3 kilometer east. How far and in which direction with reference to the starting point? Now students, this is a very basic thing which you should know, that how far and which direction with reference to. This word, with reference to, you should take care of this point very well, that आपको क्या पूछा गया है. आपको जो ये डायरेक्शन पूछी गई है वो आपको स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट से डायरेक्शन बतानी है, या फिर जहाँ पे आप पहुँच गए हो, जो आपकी डेस्टिनेशन है, उससे आपको स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट की डायरेक्शन बतानी है. देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज टू वर्ड. सपोज आपने स्टार्ट यहाँ से किया, यू हैव रीच्ड हियर. सो इफ़ आई एम आस्किंग द डायरेक्शन फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट, so the direction will be this, that means northeast. But suppose if I am asking the direction from the destination point towards the starting point, the direction will change. It will become southwest. So you need to read the question very carefully. This is a very common mistake which students do while marking the answer. When you have solved all the question, when you have drawn everything, just give the question again. I repeat, just give the question a reading again, that how far and in which direction is related, is asked from which point. You need to know that point, from which point they are asking the direction. So students, now I'll explain you this question, how you can solve. I hope the question is clear. See, in this question they have said Anu walks 10 kilometer towards north, right? So she must have started from somewhere, and then she walks 6 kilometer towards south. So 6 kilometer she has walked towards south. She has not taken any turn, she has just walked towards south. Then she walked 3 kilometer towards east. 3 kilometer towards east. Now she stopped there, and then they are asking the direction with reference to her starting point. From starting point, first thing is direction is quite clear. Direction will be what? Northeast. right? So if I look at the option, there is only one option which is saying northeast, but we need to find the distance also, and you should know these ways how to find the distance. So student, if I will draw this again, this is basically 3. This distance is what? This total was 10 and this is 6. So how much is left? 4. Now you have to find this distance. You must have read about the Pythagoras theorem. It is very well applied in the questions of directions. So you need to know this theorem. It says in a right angle triangle, we have perpendicular, we have base, and we have hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the longest side. So hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So you need to find the hypotenuse in this. So you can easily find perpendicular square is 3 square and base square is 4 square. It will give us 9 plus 16 and we will have 25. But this is hypotenuse square. So hypotenuse will be what? 5. We will write plus 5 only because direction can never be the distance can never be in the negative direction. Distance can never be in negative direction. So we will only take out the positive value. Also, if you remember, then this is the triplet. This is a Pythagoras triplet 3, 4, 5, and these are very common values. You can easily remember them. So the answer will be 5. So our answer actually become 5 kilometer northeast. Moving ahead for the next question, I'll read it for you and then I'll solve. Anil went 20 kilometer to the north direction. Then he turned towards east. Means he was moving towards the north direction and then he turned towards east. East is here, so he turns towards east and walks another 5 kilometer. Written. Then he turned towards right. Now imagine yourself here. Which one will be your right hand? This. So turn right and walk 20 kilometer. How far is he from the starting point? So from starting point, how far he will be from the starting point? He will be simply 5 kilometer away from the starting point. I'll explain you. See, from some point he started and walked 20 kilometer to north. Then he turned towards east and walked another 5 kilometer. Then he turned towards the right. Now imagine yourself at this place. You are standing facing east. So your right will be this way. So this will be 20 kilometer because they have said he has walked 20 kilometer. And now they are asking the distance. Don't you think it is a rectangle? This is a rectangle. So 20, 25, 5. Right? So the answer becomes 5 kilometer. So we have 5 kilometer as answer. I'll clear the screen. Third question and fourth question will be your homework. You can pause the video, write the answers to me in the comment section if you can solve them. If not, you can ask me your doubts there only. So third and fourth, please pause the video and then try solving this question. I'll explain question number 5 to you. Rahul walks 10 meter towards north. So I'll draw this. Rahul walks 10 meter towards north. From there, he walks 6 meter towards south. He walks 6 kilometer towards south. That means 4 kilometer is still left. Okay, do write these points because they help you a lot. If you will write along with this 6 only, then you will have a better clarity of the question. Okay, so then he walks 3 meter towards east. First he walked 10 kilometer towards north, then south, and then he walked towards east. East is here and this is 3. How far and in which direction he is with reference to the starting point? So I would say this is the question which is very similar to the first question. So this is, I guess, a repeated question given. Only the names are changed, but this is very similar. In that question, you have been given the unit as kilometer and the name was Anu. In this, Rahul is given and this is 10 meter. So our answer is 5 meter northeast. Now, this question, which direction will you face if you are facing east and take a turn of 180 degree in clockwise direction? So there are few things which you should know. This is north, south, east, west. So you are standing facing east, right? So means your face is this side. Now they are saying that take a turn of 180 degree. 180 degree, what does it means? This is 180 degree, right? So take a turn of 180 degree, right? In the clockwise direction. Clockwise direction is this, like in the sequence of clock. If you are asked anti-clockwise, then you have to move 12, 11 in this direction. But you are asked clockwise direction, so you will move 12, 1, 2, 3. So if you are facing east and you take a turn of 180 degree in the clockwise direction, which direction will you face now? West, right? So the answer will be west in this question. Moving ahead for the next question, which direction will you face if you are facing southeast and take a turn of 135 direction in anti-clockwise direction to face east? So we can easily solve this question. If we are facing southeast, let's find out which direction is southeast. So basically we are standing like this. We are facing like this. This is the person, okay, this arrow. And take a turn of 135 degree. Now how can we judge the 135 degree? It is very easy. See, if you have read the topic of these angles, then 135 degree is nothing but the sum of what? 90 degree and 45 degree. Do you know the angle of 90 degree? The 90 degree angle, if I draw, it will be simply this, and then again a angle of 45 degree. If I check this direction, north and east, isn't this for 90 degree angle? If I do the half, this angle left is 45 degree. This is the 45 degree. So basically here we were standing, we have taken a 90 degree and then we have taken a 45 degree, because this angle will be 45 degree. We have this 90 degree, half of this will be 45 degree. So basically we have turned this complete. So which direction will we face? Now we will face north direction. So our answer becomes north direction. I hope this question is clear. Moving ahead for the next question. 8th question is very similar to the previous question. You must try this question in the anti-clockwise direction. In the previous question also we were given anti-clockwise direction, so you can try this question in this similar way. Okay students, I'll explain you question number 9. Kshitij walks 15 meter towards south. So I'll draw this. Kshitij walk 15 kilometer towards south. He then turns right. Now imagine yourself in the south direction. So just turn yourself and then he turns right. He has taken a right turn. So this will be the right turn as per the direction, and he walks 30 meter. He again takes a right turn. So now if basically when you are standing like this, you are facing west. So if you take a right turn, it will be this way. And he again walks 15 meter. How far and in which direction he is from the original position? Original position was this. Again, this is becoming a what? So, in this question, Kshitij walked 15 meter towards south. I have mentioned. He then turns right and walks 15 meter. He again turns right and walks 15 meter. Then he takes a right turn and walks 15 meters. Sorry, I forgot to mention. 15 meter also he has mentioned after taking a right turn. Now if you are facing north, then your right will be this. How far and in which direction he is from the original position? So basically 15 is done and this total is 30. How much is left? 15. And they are asking from the starting point. From the starting we got to know distance is 15 meter, but this direction is what? West. So basically 15 meter west. So in this no answer is given like this, so our answer become none. None of these, because our answer is 15 meter west. Students, if I am saying that you are facing west, then turn your complete body towards the west direction and then check which is your right and which is your left. Just move your hands for this. Do not get confused which is right and which is left. Just imagine yourself in the situation that you are standing and then accordingly take a right turn or a left turn. Now, the next question says, two persons A and B were talking to each other in the evening with their faces towards each other. If A is facing northwest, B is facing in which direction? So let's make this north, south, east and west. Two persons are talking. So if one is facing northeast direction, northwest direction, they have said. I'll clear this question so that I can see. If A is facing northwest direction, so northwest direction is this. So if two persons are talking to each other and their faces towards each other, so what will be the direction of B? So can you tell me what will be the direction of B? The direction of B will be southeast, because the only direction in which they can face each other is just the opposite of that direction. If one is facing northwest, the other has to face southeast direction, so that they can face each other. This has to be maintained so that they can face each other. Moving ahead, question number 11 and 12 will be your homework. You can try this question. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, and if you have solved this question, write the answers to me in the comment section. Please pause the video and then try solving this question. I'll explain you rest of the question. Question number 13 says A, B, C and D, they are playing a game of carom. In these quarantine times, I would say everyone must enjoy this game. This is a very one of my favorites game that we have lived in the childhood. So it is really an interesting game to be played with the whole family. It is so much of fun. So AB and CD are partners, means AB and CD are partner. D is to the left of B, who is facing north. So this is very simple but little bit confusing. We have this direction, so B is facing north. First we will place B, right? So here I'll just draw this very clearly. North, south, east and west. So B is facing north and D is its left. So D is its left. Okay, so I'll explain you by drawing a carom board. My drawing is not that good, but I'll try. Okay, so this is a carom board, right? So here we'll play. So if B is facing north, will B sit here or here? Can you imagine? B will sit here because if he has to face north, he has to face the carom board also. If he sit at this place, will he be able to play the carom? Will he be able to face the carom board? No. So B has to sit here, right? So B has to sit there. And now D is to the left of B. Okay, and also we are given that A, B and C, D are partners, as you know the rules of carom. So D is to the left of B. We have this here. So if you know the rules of carom, the partners always sit opposite to each other. They never sit adjacent to each other. They always sit opposite to each other. As we are given that D is to the left of B, so I'll place this will be the left of B. As we know that partners are opposite, so we will quickly place the position. So A will be facing which direction? Since A will be facing the carom board this side, right? Carom board is this side, so A will be facing the direction south. So A will be facing the direction south. Now the last question. Deepak starts driving car towards north. So he is driving a car and he is driving the car towards north. He drives a distance of 12 kilometer. 12 kilometer he drives, and then he took a right turn. Now if we are facing north, then our right will be this side, and drive a distance of 5 kilometer. Done. Then he took a right turn again. If we are facing east, this is the direction that we are facing, right? So the right will be towards this side, and drive a distance of 18 kilometer again. Then he drive a distance of 18 kilometers. So 12, if I mark 12 plus 6. Now why I have broke this number 18 into 12 and 6? Because you know this will form a rectangle. This forms a rectangle. So this distance will be 12 and the remaining will be 6. So now what they have asked, Deepak is facing which direction now? A very simple question. Deepak facing which direction now? So here the answer will be south. But also if they have mentioned that Deepak is facing in which direction now from the starting point, the answer will change and it will become southeast. So read the question very carefully, that what they have asked, Deepak is facing in which direction now, means it also now he is facing south, but if we refer it from the starting point, he is facing the direction southeast. So that's all for today. The worksheet for the same will be uploaded on the school mobile app. If you have your GK book, you can simply solve the page number 65 and 66. Practice well, student. Stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you all for listening. God bless you all. Thank you.